Good day everyone and greetings in the name of Luwalhati. In this video, we will be discussing the Cagsawa Ruins, one of the most famous landmarks in Albay. This site is not only a beautiful tourist spot, it is also a symbol of our history, culture, and resilience. But like many heritage sites, Cagsawa faces challenges such as environmental degradation, natural disasters, and the pressures of mass tourism. To preserve it for future generations, we need to apply sustainable strategies and principles that balance cultural preservation, environmental protection, and community development. In this discussion, we will cover the challenges, strategies, long-term vision, and guiding principles that can help Cagsawa thrive as a model of sustainable heritage tourism. Enjoy and mabuhay!
The Cagsawa Ruins face several serious challenges. First, there's visitor congestion. During peak seasons, too many tourists gather at the site, which affect the visitor experience and can damage pathways and the heritage area itself. Second is proper waste disposal. With more tourists comes more trash, which harms the environment and spoils the site's beauty. Third is the ruins are at constant risk from climate-related hazards, such as typhoons, floods, and volcanic activity from Mayon volcano. Another issue is safeguarding cultural heritage, since commercialization and modernization can threaten the site's authenticity. And lastly, community participation remains a challenge. Without the active involvement of locals, conservation efforts may be.
To address these challenges, there are several sustainable tourism strategies we can apply. First, a heritage conservation program is needed. This means regular maintenance, limiting physical contact with fragile structures, and installing protective barriers. Second, eco-friendly visitor management, which includes setting carrying capacity limits and creating designated walking trails to prevent overcrowding. Third, community involvement, training local residents as tour guides, encouraging them to sell handicraft, food, and souvenirs for livelihood. Fourth, a waste management system, with recycling bins, cleanup drives, and leave no trace policy. Fifth, cultural and educational programs like festivals, workshops, and school collaborations to highlight Bicolano traditions. Sixth, green infrastructure development, using solar-powered lighting, eco-friendly transport like e-trikes, and sustainable building materials. And finally, promotion of disaster preparedness with evacuation routes, safety guidelines, and awareness programs on disaster resilience.
Our long-term vision is to make Cagsawa Ruins a globally recognized model of sustainable heritage tourism. This vision has several key points. First, preserving authenticity through careful restoration that maintains its historical character. Second, enhancing visitor experience by balancing access with protection using eco-friendly facilities, smart crowd management, and interactive educational programs.
Third, building climate resilience, making sure the sites can withstand hazards like typhoons, floods, volcanic threats. Fourth, promoting inclusive development where local communities are empowered through jobs, cultural entrepreneurship, and participation in decision-making. Fifth, integrating sustainability principles, reducing waste, conserving energy, and using low-impact materials. And lastly, creating a living heritage park where history, culture, and nature education come together to inspire present future generations.
To guide this vision, we follow principles of sustainable building sites. These principles include cultural and historical preservation, ensuring the ruins are protected from vandalism and new facilities respect the heritage look. Community integrations by employing locals as guides, vendors and festivals, organizations, education and awareness through eco workshops, learning, displays, and campaign on climate change and heritage conservation. Another principle is the incorporation of natural landscapes, maintaining gardens, native plants, and open green areas to enhance biodiversity and comfort. We also support responsible tourism initiatives like eco-friendly facilities, guided tours, and visitor limits. On top of that, we need material and waste reductions using innovative methods like 3D concrete, printing, and sustainable materials, addressing issues such as carbon emission in constructions. Finally, we must consider location and climate, designing structures that optimize energy efficiency and adapt to natural elements. These principles ensure development that is both respectful and sustainable.
In conclusion, the Kagsawa ruins are not just monuments of the past, they are living symbols of resilience and culture. But with this heritage comes the responsibility to protect it, by addressing current challenges